at this point in time. The country is in a mess, complete shambles. The economy is gone. The country has never been more divided along ethnic, religious lines. A country where you can't even go out. A country where diplomats are sending their families back to their different countries. These are not normal situations. This is not the normal time that you say, let us go and experiment because we are doing democracy. You need somebody who is stable mentally, stable physically, stable with knowledge and experience to help navigate this country out of the woods. Otherwise, we will collapse. I hear people say, I was a good governor in this state or that state. Very good. I'm not contesting that whatsoever. One of the best governors ever produced in Nigeria, in the modern Nigeria, from 1999 to date, one of the best, I'm not saying the best, one of the best, is arguably Babatunde Raji Fashola. He will stand out anywhere in Nigeria as one of the best governors Nigeria ever produced. Is he the best minister today? Was he not minister for power for 4 years? So don't come and tell me, because I was a good governor, I'm going to be a good president. No. So you cannot leave somebody who has run a federal government, who knows the nature of the issues and the problems, who knows the intricacies of national governance. Governing Nigeria is not Moi-Moi, with due respect. You have no power of compulsion that you have as a governor. As a governor, you direct, you say things and it happens. In federal government, you negotiate for things to be done. And that's the only person who has the knowledge, the experience, and those attributes is His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCON.